Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I'm going to go over with you guys on GME. A lot of people are curious if we're going to have a major squeeze here. I went over AMC in the last video if you guys want to see what might happen there. A very nice continuation with AMC and GME from yesterday's video. I'm going to go over exactly which levels and indicators will give us confirmation on that bullish momentum that we're looking for. Now, before I jump into this, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, a major breakout that we had, for example, today was ALG. Halted at $13.22, jumping up to $23.91 on the day. Over 70% on that breakout. So if you're looking for these breakouts, again, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss breakout alert today again. Now, jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on GME, again, we did have a nice continuation from yesterday's video. We were looking to see if we can continue on past 131 intraday to have a continuation, and sure enough, we did. We broke all the way up to our resistance at $150. As you guys can see, previously we broke up to $482. I wanted to show you guys a pattern that has been playing out. As you guys can see, we have our trend line dropping into lower lows. As soon as we did get the body of our candle to break above this trend line, we did have a continuation. As you guys can see, if we are drawing lower lows from this point, if we were continuing on down here, we would have looked for our body of our candle to break above this trend line here as well. And as soon as that did happen, we had a continuation here. So very similar here, dropping this trend line all the way over here. If we are trying to break above a trend line to have a continuation here, we do need to make sure we can break above this trend line. If we do not break above 150 and break above this trend line, then in my opinion, we could get rejected to the upside. Again, this trend line is representing our range that we have between 150 and 165. So if we can break over 150, we will be looking to see if we can break over this trend line at 165 to have that stronger push. Now, what we also need to happen here is, you guys can see, we do have our 20 moving average below our 50. We are curling here, showing us that we do have a potential to cross back over our 50, very similar to AMC. So if we can get our 20 moving average to cross back over our 50 here, then we could have a continuation on that trend line. As you guys can see, we do have our MACD with our EMA lines crossing up here below our MACD. We need to see if we can get these EMA lines to cross back above our MACD. As you guys can see, when we do have our EMA lines cross above our MACD, we do have continuations on momentum. So again, getting this 20 moving average to cross back over our 50, getting these EMA lines to cross back over our MACD would be very key to break above that trend line that we have at 165. So we will keep GME in the watch. And again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Love every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a great night. And we will continue to stay strong, stay consistent, and letting the plays come to us as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with you find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.